Hey moneymakers, remember that Deepseek AI horror niche video I dropped recently? You guys absolutely crushed it with the love and engagement. But guess what? A ton of you asked for another video featuring a different niche with Deepseek AI. So, here it is. Today, we're exploring the automobile niche, one of the most profitable spaces on YouTube, where advertisers are willing to pay top dollar for views. If you're wondering whether this niche is worth it, let me show you a real example. Check out Car Care Clues, a faceless YouTube channel that gained 80,000 plus subscribers in just 5 months with 66 videos, without ever showing their face or owning a single car. Sounds unreal, right? Now let's talk money. Channels with over 80,000 subscribers can easily rake in $20,000 to $30,000 per month from AdSense, brand deals, and affiliate marketing. And according to Social Blade, Car Care Clues is making over $10,000 from ad revenue alone, which means a channel like this could replace a full-time job. Here's what makes it even more impressive. Over 20 of their videos have crossed 100K views, and some even hit the million mark. That's the power of AI. And in this mini course of Deepseek AI, I'll show you exactly how to build a channel like this, from picking topics to editing videos, using Deepseek AI and other AI tools. So grab some popcorns and your favorite snacks and watch this video till the end. Let's go. Let's go step by step. Step 1. Finding topics. Now the question is, where can you find the right topics for your videos? First, copy all the details of this channel by selecting its information. Then, go to Deepseek AI and paste the copied information there. And boom! Deepseek AI will instantly analyze the entire channel. What kind of content it creates, how long it has been active, which niche it belongs to, what type of topics it covers, how long its videos are, and much more. Now simply join my Telegram channel using the link provided below. Once you're in, you'll get access to my Google Doc, where I've listed detailed prompts to help you generate high-performing topics for your videos. From the Google Doc, copy the first prompt, which I have specially designed for Deepseek AI. This prompt explains everything in detail, what kind of topics I need, with example topics and thumbnail text included. Now simply paste the copied prompt into Deepseek AI and let it process. Sometimes you might not get an answer on the first try. If that happens, just try again. Deepseek AI will analyze the entire channel's information and, based on that, it will generate 50 topic ideas with perfect thumbnail text that will attract clicks. As you can see on my screen, the topics generated are exactly as needed, and even the thumbnail text includes the type of words I specified. This way, you can easily find video topics using Deepseek AI. Apart from this, you should also stay updated on car trends, common problems people face with cars, and important things to know before buying a car. If you don't have much knowledge about cars and still feel unsure about choosing topics, you can refer to other channels in the same niche and take inspiration from their videos. This is how you can consistently find great topics to create videos on. Now that we have our topics ready, let's move on to the next step: writing scripts. Now that you've found the perfect topics for your channel, the next step is to turn them into engaging videos. And for that, you'll need a well-written script. But how will you write it? Will you research everything manually, watch tons of videos, and spend hours collecting information? No. When we have AI, why waste so much time? To write scripts quickly and efficiently, you'll use Deepseek AI. Here's what you need to do. Choose your topic from the list. Go back to my Google Doc, which you can access by joining my Telegram channel through the link in the description. Copy the second prompt from my Google Doc. This prompt is specially designed to generate detailed, high-quality scripts. Once you have the prompt, paste it into Deepseek AI, and it will create a perfect script for your video within seconds. Wait, before you copy the prompt, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I put in a lot of effort to create these prompts for you so your work becomes super easy. So, make sure to comment, "Thank you AI Maskman," to show some love. Alright, now take the prompt from my Google Doc, add your selected topic, and paste it into Deepseek AI. And within seconds, Deepseek AI will generate a well-structured script with A perfect intro, all the necessary information, a strong outro, stock footage suggestions to match your video. But hold on, don't just copy-paste it like a robot. Make some small edits, tweak a few words, and add extra information to make your script unique. This way, your video won't sound exactly like others who are using the same AI-generated scripts, and that's how you write a great script for your video. You'll find tons of websites related to cars where you can get detailed and up-to-date information about the latest models. So, make sure to add some extra details from your side to make the script more informative and engaging. And that's it. Your script is now ready to go. Now let's move on to the next step. Step 3. Voiceover. You can record your own voice if you're comfortable, but if you prefer an AI-generated voice, make sure to choose a tool that sounds natural and not robotic. For this video, I am using Deepseek AI because it creates realistic, human-like voices. First, sign in your account. After signing in, go to the dashboard and select the AI voiceover option. Now choose a voice that fits well with your video. Let's try different voices and see which one sounds the best.
Today is the day to remind yourself that you possess the power and strength you need.
Hello. Let's turn ideas into reality together.
Hello? Let's turn ideas into reality together. Don't wait.
I think Christopher's voice matches perfectly. Now, generate the voiceover and listen carefully. If you need to make any changes, use the available options like adding pauses, adjusting speed, or changing pronunciation. Fine-tune it until it sounds just right. Once you're happy with it, export the final voiceover. And that's it. Step 3 is complete. I know that creating multiple videos every week can be incredibly challenging and time-consuming. Finding topics, writing scripts, editing, and managing your channel might feel overwhelming at times. That's why, for the first time ever, I'm introducing our exclusive Done For You program. My dedicated team and I will handle the entire video creation process for you, from brainstorming unique content ideas to scripting, editing, and even optimizing your videos for maximum reach. So if you have the budget to outsource, book a free consultation call with me to discuss how our Done For You program can transform your channel. Click the link in the description below. Now we have the script and the voiceover ready. Next, we need to find the right visuals to create the video. Step 4. Finding footages and images. Now, you need to go through your script and collect relevant images and footage for each part. For example, in my topic, I first need broken car footage and a clip of a car being driven. You can find these on free stock websites like FACELESS and Pixabay. Next, my script talks about the Toyota Corolla, so I will download some images of this car from Google. Then I will go to YouTube and search for video footage of the car. You can often find high-quality clips on the official YouTube channel of the car brand. You can use these clips, but make sure not to use any single clip for more than 5 seconds. Also, mute the original audio and add text and effects to avoid copyright issues. Repeat this process for all scenes in your script, collecting all necessary images and videos. Now let's move on to the final step. Step 5. Editing. For editing, I will use Canva. I prefer Canva because it provides images, videos, templates, designs, and graphics in one place. If you're a beginner, Canva is a great choice. But if you're comfortable with video editing, you can edit directly in CapCut. Alright, now let's head over to Canva. From the dashboard, select the YouTube video template. Now, upload all your materials here. First, add your voiceover audio to the timeline. If needed, increase the volume for better clarity. For the intro, I will add footage from Canva's media library. In some sections, only text will be used. It gives a clean and professional look. To add text, go to Elements, search for Grid, and select a background that fits your style. In the text options, choose a simple font style. I am selecting this one. You can change the color, font, or animation if needed. For my video, I am adding a bounce animation to the text. Keep adding text, footages, and images as per your script. If you want, you can also add graphics on top of the footages. For example, here I am adding a wrong sign which I will animate. Along with that, I am adding a wrong buzzer sound effect to make it more engaging. You can also place text over footages to make certain points stand out. In the design section, you will find several ready-made templates that you can use to enhance your video. Simply select a template, remove any unwanted text, and replace it with your own content. If you are discussing a specific car, make sure to add its image or video while talking about it. When editing, make sure to use only 5-second clips before switching to an image and then back to a video clip. This keeps the video dynamic and engaging. Avoid using watermarked videos to maintain a clean and professional look. The more text and graphics you add, the more movement and engagement your video will have. You can also upscale images, apply filters, and make other adjustments to enhance the visuals. Finally, add background music to complete the video. To find the perfect track, go to the YouTube audio library and search for Advertise. Choose a suitable track, download it, and add it to your timeline. Now upload the background music to Canva and add it to the timeline. Make sure to lower the volume slightly so that it doesn't overpower the voiceover. For final touches, we will now move the video to CapCut. Click on Share, download the video, and then import it into CapCut. To generate subtitles, click on Text and select the Auto Captions option. After that, choose a simple font from the templates for a clean and professional look. Next, click on the video, right-click, and select the Split Video option. This will allow you to add transitions between each clip. Try using light effects or different transition styles to see what fits best. CapCut also has a sound effects library, where you can find effects like camera shutter sounds and more. In some clips, you can also add zoom animations directly from CapCut to make the visuals more dynamic. Finally, go to the Filters section, apply the clear filter, and experiment with other filters to enhance the video quality. And that's it. Your video is now ready. Just export the final version and it's good to go. This is how you can use AI tools to create car-related videos with ease. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Now let's watch the demo video.
Imagine this, you're driving down the highway, and suddenly your car starts sputtering. Smoke pours out of the hood, and you're stranded. Now, you're stuck with a $3,000 repair bill. Sounds like a nightmare, right? Well, this happens to thousands of people every year, all because they bought the wrong car. But what if I told you there's a way to avoid this disaster? Today, I'm revealing the 17 best cars to buy when you're broke, vehicles that are cheap, reliable, and won't leave you stranded. Stick around because the #1 car on this list is a total game changer for anyone on a budget. Let's dive in. Alright, let's start with number 17, the Toyota Corolla. Now, you might be thinking, a Corolla? Really? But hear me out. This car is a legend for a reason. It's affordable, gets amazing gas mileage, and can easily last over 200,000 miles with basic maintenance. Now the question is why? It is cheap to buy used, under $10,000 for a solid Model S. Repairs are affordable, and parts are everywhere.